So I want to discuss a problem statement. Using our design thinking flow, we will just analyze our problem statement and we will just do what kind of prototype can be designed. Okay, now consider a case. Motorcycle is being the accident is placed in the motorcycle or anything else. If motorcycle accident is taking place, we know lot of procedure is there in order to get our insurance claimed. So if that particular motorcycle accident is made, maybe there are many people who are ready to submit the fake documents, and the processing time is very high for processing our claims, since it is very much highly manual. So in order to overcome these problems, can anyone suggest a solution using the blockchain, how we can reduce the time involved and other stuff, and also to reduce the fraud detection in the claim processing?
So let me explain the 5 stages of DT. First phase is empathy, define, ideate, prototype and testing. Now let me explain the empathy phase. Let us understand users, stakeholders and their pain points. Stakeholder identifiers: policy holders, insurance company, surveillors, hospitals for health claims, gadgets for motor claims, police, government authorities, third-party administration, fraud detection team, regulators complaints, pain point collected from interviews and surveys. Customer do not know claim progresses, paper-based documentations are duplicates, high number of frauds claims from fake photos and accidents, manual verification between insurance agents and police is slow.
Could anyone explain the define and ideate part of this particular problem statement?
Now let's consider a problem statement, that is, policy holders and insurances face delays, fraud and inefficiency in the chain process due to isolated records. There is a lack of transparency and a manual verification, and then we need to create a tamper-proof automated requirement. So now the goal is to reduce claim settlement time, prevent fraud, ensure transparency for all parties, provide real-time claim status, automated verification workflow. So for this problem statement, if we create ideate, that would be generated in 6 steps, that is smart contract based claim validation and shared ledger for all stakeholders and tamper-proof claim evidence and IoT integration, token-based claim tracking and a permissioned blockchain network, that is Hyperledger Fabric.
So anyone explain the possible solution or a prototype for this particular problem statement?
Yes, ma'am. The prototype stage is our network participants. First, start with network participants. First, insurer, customer, garage, repair shop, policy authority, surveyor, and TP and banks. Next, key components of prototypes: Hyperledger Fabric network, smart contracts, claim validations, policy rule checks, fraud pattern detection, payment approval. Next, immutable ledgers. Actually, it's storing accident reports, photos, videos, police FIR, survey report, garage bills. Next, private channels. Private channels are insurer, garage channels for estimations, insurer policy channel for accident reports.
Okay, you have told the prototype. Now can anyone explain the process flow which are involved in that particular process when we are using our blockchain technology into our problem statement? So as he told the prototype, I would like to give a simple step which are involved in that process flow. The first step will be when the accident occurs. Okay, so once the accident is occurred, it will check for whether that particular driver has an insurance for his particular motorcycle. If it is there, then it automatically the eligibility check will be enabled. Policy validation, verification, coverage type, all these stuff will be taken into consideration. After that, survey inspection will be there. After survey inspection, since all these data are being entered in the blockchain, it is immutable. So there will not be any fraud will happen, since duplicate claims cannot be done, and tampered bills or staged accidents will not be fraudly entered into that particular block. After that, in carriage, the estimation of the particular damages or repairs will be estimated, and the insurance will see it instantly. So the time which was taken earlier will be reduced to the maximum amount. After that, since we are using the smart contracts in our blockchain, it will automatically enables the chain code, and the settlement will be initialized. So this might be a simple process flow for a prototype which he explained. Can someone explain the test cases which are being followed for execution of this particular prototype?
After testing blockchain, everything is improved fast. Claim time dropped from weeks to days. Fraud reduced to 60 to 70%. Complaints are almost disappeared, and verification becomes automated. Transparency increased with real-time tracking, and both customers and staff were way happier with the systems.
Can anyone explain the outcome or advantages which we can obtain when we are using blockchain over our accident remedy system?
Yes, ma'am. The outcome of the summary is to be a transparent, secure, faster, fraud resistant, and should be efficient.
Okay. So, with our discussion, we would have understood that how blockchain has reduced the time taken for processing the claim for accident or insurance, how they can approach. Hope you would have understood the concept clearly. Thank you.